What's up everyone? Just Home Appliances here. Leo niko na three all different of washing machines zenye leo nataka kuwaletea. So I met one person akaniuliza, naona mko na washing machines mingi, but which one should I choose over the other? And as someone who sells these things, siwezi kuambia take one over the other. I might be biased. So the good thing yenye naweza fanya nikuambie ni the differences between them, alafu wewe make an informed decision on why to choose one over the other. So si tuanze the kuchambua. Unaona hii these types, leave alone the company and what it is, this type inaitangwa a twin tub washing machine. It's because iko na two tabs mahali ya kuoshea, so unaoshea hapa and unaspinia hapa. So this is a twin tub washing machine. Unaona hii ingine, and that one, mind you, that a top load. It's a top load. This one is a front load, but this is a smart wash and dry washing machine. So you might need the smartness and wash and dry. I'll come back to this. That's a smart wash and dry washing machine. So you see this, it's kind of identical. That means it's a front load as well, but its operation is not the same as that one. So this is a digital operation. So this is a this is a front load wash and dry digital washing machine. Kuna kwanga na ingine yenye si digital, and now it's not wash and dry, it's a wash and spin. So we have this, which is again top load washing machine. Same case with this one, but I'll show you the differences between this in just a moment. So turudi hapa sasa tuanzie. So when you're buying this washing machine, these tend to be the cheapest on hizi zote vile ziko. This is the most affordable ones. This type is the most affordable one because again it's easy to use, and it's a manual washing machine. It's not that automatic. You do most of the things with the washing machine. So unasaidia washing machine kufua. What I mean is, utaiweka maji na nguo hapa, zikimaliza kuosha utazitoa uweke hapa pengine spin. So you see you are doing the work again with the washing machine, and its surface is one of the smoothest surfaces. And again, since even the production cost was not that high, it makes it one of the most affordable washing machine. Again, anyone can use this. This is the inlet. This is the spinner. Ukitaka control the spin. This is where you do it, and this is the wash. This is the timer. This is the selector. Do you want to wash hard or soft? That's it. This is do you want to drain or not? There we go. This is the spin timer. So simple as that. Anyone can use these ones. So these ones are called twin tub washing machines. Top load. Yes. Let's go to this. So remember again, these ones gonna need way less technical expertise. Anyone can use them, and they tend to be the most affordable washing machines. Again, ikukuja kwa efficiency of maybe washing, they are again the least in that category. So there we go with that one. Tukuja kwa hii, this is Hisense. Forget even the name. It's a top load. Top load or front load means you open from the front. You load it from the front. And these ones, I want you to see the surface. I want you to see this surface in comparison to the surface for this. That's why I said this is a smooth surface as compared to this. So again, the more rougher the surface, the more contours it comes with, the more efficient for the washing part. Like inatoa uchafu better than that, but that one does the work. So lakini kama ujajikanyanga sana, that can also do it. So this is the top load. This is the front load, but again, And this is now wash and dry. So since this is a 12 kg that we are having, it doesn't wash, it doesn't dry the same 12 kg. So what you do is, it washes 12 kg, but it dries 8 kg. You see, now that's the difference. It washes, but dries 8 kg. But it can still spin the 12 kg. Ni vile haiwezi dry the 8 kg. Now, back to this. This is the place. This is a 13 kg. So itafulia your 13 kg hapa. But time sasa ya kuspin, remember this is not a dry, this is a spin. Wakati wa kuspin, ita spin just a few. Like this is 13 kgs, it has spin like 7 kgs. So it's a smaller spinner again, right? So it's the same kind of thing, but this one doesn't dry. This one is just a spinner. Understood? Now remember, I also said this is a smart front load washing machine. Smart ni kumaanisha you can connect. In fact, when you scan here with your phone, you can download this application to your phone. That means you can operate this washing machine remotely. Uko job, washing machine iko home, na ulikuwa umeacha umeload, you can wash your clothes na zidry. Kazi yako tu kuja utoe uweke kwa wardrobe. That's a feature yenye iko kwa this type of washing machine. Not a washing machine, kuna this type of washing machines zinaitangwa automatic washing machine. Now, since I'm still at this one, this washing machine inakwanga na extra feature inaitangwa auto dosing. Auto dosing mean you can fill it, your detergent, your softeners, and you can use it close to a whole month. Fill once, wash for a month. This is a smart washing machine. So it got way more technical than that. And again, the moment it's a smart washing machine, which is a front load, it tends to be pricier. Again, it's not that, as compared to that, you can get way more of those ones with the price of this. But this one is way more efficient in washing and even time to wash. Unaweza wash ukiwa kwa barabara, unaweza wash anywhere. It gives you that flexibility. And it's an automatic. It does everything for you. Let's go to this. This is a front load, but this is a digital washing machine. What I mean is, hii haina knobs. You can see, haina knobs. Kama hii, haina. It's because this is a touch screen. So you unaiwasha hapa and everything inakuwa displayed here. So it's a touch screen. Again, this, angalia drum. You can see how rough it is. It helps kuosha nguo vizuri because of that agitation. Again, these two are so similar, but the most thing, and most people look at ni what function does this one comes. Hizi mbili zinalikuwa na function gani? So hizi zote mbili, they are wash and dry. So most people, hiyo ndio kitu wanakuanga wakiangalia. Wanauliza, nikifua nitaweza kudry? Those are the most simple things watu wanaangalia. So for this one, it's way cheaper kidogo than that, because this one is not a smart washing machine. That is a smart washing machine. For example, this is a 10.5 kg and this one goes for 65,000. That one is a 12 kg, it goes for 85,000. You see the difference? But that one again, it's a bigger kg, right? So hii inaweza hosha na inaweza dry. In short, hii inaweza fanya kenye hili inaweza fanya, kenye tu mwenye hii hawezi fanya ni hawezi control na simu yake. That's the difference. You now get the difference. That's the difference. And another difference is, ni vile hili iko na extra feature inaitangwa auto dosing. Like ukijaza pale inajiosha mwezi, hii tu ni wakati unatumia. So now you see, but now there is another washing machine yenye inakuanga kama hii, but it's not aina the dry part. Unakuta it's a wash and spin. So it's kind of cheaper kidogo. The moment yenye haina hiyo dry, it's cheaper kidogo, but again, unaweza ipata na around, depending with the kgs, it's kind of cheaper kidogo. Let me leave it at there. But the only thing yenye hiyo haina ni eti utaosha na itakuspinia, alafu uanike kidogo. Kuna kuanga na hizo pia. Alafu kuna kuanga na this type. Easy type again, these are again wash and dries, sorry, wash and spins. And again, nataka uangalia the surface rough as well, na nataka kuzionyesha zikiwa mbili, na pia angalia the surface. So these are so similar, like everything is quite similar, unless because of the companies ziko na small extra features than the other ones. But hizi zinaitangwa top load washing machine. So top load washing machines, they are quite similar na hizi, ni vile hizi hazinanga dry, they can't dry. Hizi ni wash and spin. Now you see now the difference. This is wash and spin. That means again they are way more affordable than these ones. So you see how the affordability inaenda bado. So this is way more affordable. Now, for example, sasa, why would you buy this over this? At some time unaweza pata mahali yenye uko hakuna maybe enough supply of pressurized water, unakuta una maji iko na pressure mingi. So in that instance, badala ya kuchukua hizi, so these types zinaitajingi mtu mwenye ako na maji iko na pressure, these washing machines zenye ni front load. But easy, not necessarily. In fact, unaweza kuwa na maji kwa mtungi uwekele hapa juu, umwagie hapo juu. It's a feature yenye this one you can't have. But those ones as well you can, because again ni top loads. So every top load unaweza ekea maji juu, which is a plus. So unaweza kunaangalia, probably unaweza kwa ule customer unaangalia, mi nataka kujua tu efficiency. I just want to know the efficiency. Itafua vizuri, kukausha nitakausha baadaye. I just want kujua kama itakausha vizuri, and hizo vitu zingine unaweza zimanejia. So you can take something like this, and kama you're on tight on budget, unataka washing machine for some time, maybe uko na ka Airbnb, you can take that one, depending now your preferences. Now you see the differences between those, and sasa the decision is yours. You look at the functions, uangalia what's the difference between this, what's the difference between this and this, and now you can now make the decision. So let me know if at least information ilikuwa helpful, hata kama ni at least nimeshine some light to you, nijue maybe what else would you want to know. And before nitoke kwa hizi mbili, unaweza ona zikiwa similar, and again ziko na some minor small differences. Unaona kama hii inaitangwa Midea. Midea unaweza pata wako na hii mahali ya kuweka detergents, lakini unaona kama hii here haina. It's because hii here again unaweza weka detergent yako tu hapa, so si lazima pia upimiwe na washing machine, unaweza jiwekea mwenyewe. So I like the fact about that. But again, another thing about hii Midea, hii inakujanga na an extra inlet ya maji moto. Hii tu ni inlet tu moja. So there are so small features, but again, kama umedecide ni top load, so unaweza kuja uonyeshwe this and this, uulize differences between ni small minor things, but the major functions tumeongea. The major function ni hii, unaangalianga drum, how is the surface, iko sawa? So hii ni kumaanisha ukiona this kind of surface, hizi za chuma hizi na this big contours, ni kumaanisha nguo yako zitakuwa zinatoka. Again, hizi zote ziko na the same thing. Another small thing unafaa uangalia ni hii. Hii inaitangwa lint remover. Lint remover ni wakati unakuanga na ile sweta zenye zinatokanga tu vitu tu around. So ukiifulia hapa, uto tu vitu tunaachangwa hapa. Hii inaitangwa lint remover. Same case na hii iko nazo. So if that is what you're looking for, then these washing machines ziko tu sawa. Hapo pengine sasa labda ukue interested with the brands, which again I highly advice against that. Usiwahi angalia the companies sana. Angalia the quality of what you're getting. Angalia the functions of what you're getting. But again, sometimes some brands ziko na good reputation. Yes, it's good sometimes kuziangalia pia. So kama unaangalia mfuko, always take this one. These are way way cheaper. Easy hata from 29,000, 19,000, you can get yourself a washing machine. Zile you can't get with that price. So the hierarchy of prices in Anzanga, at least these are the most affordable. Then tunakuja kwa hizi, then tunakuja kwa hii, na tunamalizia hapa. So that is how that's the differences between these washing machines. So now at least uko na information. Ukienda kununua washing machine, at least you know what to do. Na ukitaka kutubaia, namba yetu ni 0720616098, na ukitaka kubuy from our website, now that you have the information, website ni justsavehomeappliances.com, and hope to see you soon.